Have you started a small business and worried about invoicing, taxing, tax calculations, discounts, and all? So, yes, UXMate has catered this problem and created this simple invoice generator which is listed on our Etsy store. So, you can simply purchase it with a one time cost and you can create unlimited invoices as long as you want to do. And the good thing is it has its own small memory as well, so it remembers your invoice number, build from, and your logo and customizations. So I'll quickly walk you through what exactly it has. You can see we have primary color, we have typography settings, and we have different setups. And the cool thing is it works perfectly on mobile, on laptop, on desktop, on tablets, on any devices, as long as you can open it in any browser. And it doesn't need internet, it doesn't need anything. It is completely offline, so your data is 100% secure with you. And let's quickly customize this. I'll select my logo here. Okay, let's use UXMate logo only. And now you can see we have added this logo here, or I would show you the other logo as well. Okay, and now you can see we can just quickly select the logo file and that would be updated real time here. Now we can change the colors as well, so I'll quickly select a color from the logo. Let me choose this darker color, and once you select the color, you can see all the details with this primary color has been updated, so you can customize the invoice as per your brand. And you can see the typography as well, like there are a couple of options you can choose from. And let's select the paper size as well. If you want to print it on a A4 or on a half A4 size, which is A5, or on US later, you can simply select which paper format you want to print your invoice or to download your invoice. And that's it in the brand format. Let's go to details and parties. Here you can change your company details. So I'll simply change it, let's say hutk.in, and I'll just add address, for example, India. And based on whatever details you add here, it simply updates your build from details here. You can change the invoice date, invoice number as per your system. If you have any tax ID, you can simply add it here. I'll simply add, let's say VAT 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, whatever it is. And you can add the client details here, whoever is your party or the seller, the buyer is. You can simply add their name, and you can add the details here. If they have tax ID, you can add their tax ID. And now in the particular section, you can change the currency as well. If you want it in dollar, if you want it in rupees, if you want it in whatever symbol you want, you can simply paste that symbol here, or you can simply type INR, for example, and then that would be in that currency as well. So I'll just keep it dollar for now, and let's keep it as a website design and UX strategy. Okay, and then we are charging it 25. That's quite too hard. So let's make it probably $1,200. But yes, and you can keep on adding more items here. And the good part is if you add more items, I'll quickly show you. Let's say invoice generate, invoice maker tool, quantity 1, and pricing is, let's say, $4.99. Okay, and if I keep on adding more items here, more details here, it automatically it automatically adds a next page when you download this invoice. So let me quickly go to the taxes and notes. Here you can add the discounts. As of now there is no discount, so let me add a 10% discount, for example, and I'm charging, let's say, tax of 5%. So in that case, it automatically adds the discount, it automatically calculates the amount, sum of all those things. And you can also change the quantities. Let's say if I have given 2 invoice maker licenses, in that case you can see it has automatically updated the quantity here, and based on the rate it has automatically adjusted the total amount as well. Now let's go to the tax and notes, and okay, everything looks good. You can change your thank you note or payment note here, and if there's anything you can just quickly add that note in the invoice and simply download the PDF. And now when you download the PDF, you can see based on the paper size, it has automatically adjusted the invoice in multiple pages. Now let me quickly go back here and change the paper size. For example, let's make it A4, and now probably it should be fitting everything in one single A4. Okay, now you can see. And sometimes you might be seeing these okay, this is the by default from the invoice maker, but sometimes you may see header and footer from the Chrome as well when you create the PDF. So you can simply toggle it off, headers and footers, and now you can see you have a clean invoice ready to be downloaded and shared with anyone you want. So you can simply save it in your computer and send it So I've added Etsy link in the description below, so you can simply go ahead and purchase this and give us nice ratings on Etsy. It would be very helpful for us to grow as a small business and get more business on Etsy. Yeah, that's it. Till next video. Keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.